Hey everybody, this is just checking in. It's been about, I guess, 6 days. This is still the Halley's curls. I'm probably gonna wash it. It'll be a week on Monday. But I had someone just curl it with a regular curling iron, and then I pin curl it. And this is the next day. They came out really bouncy. Look at that. Look at that. I'll show you the back. So I just took my wide tooth comb and combed them through. And I kind of pinned this. Me and this closure are fighting. And it's mainly because I didn't have a braid to secure it properly. I don't know what I guess I thought the way I had it that I had enough braids, but I didn't measure it properly. So I kind of just have it pinned to the side right here. It's still taped, but it's just this part is sticking up sometimes. Yeah, it's really curly. I like how bouncy it came out. Look at that. I feel like a Barbie doll or something. But I'm kind of running out real quick. I don't know how I'm gonna style it. I gotta go pick up some glasses. Some new glasses for myself and the girls. Yeah, I really feel like a diva or something. Look, I have a Hello Kitty. And I have my Hello Kitty shirt on too today. Look, kind of what is it like, who used to wear hair like this? You know, back in that era with the curls. That's what it kind of looks like. I love how bouncy it is. And just a little holding spray. It held the curls really nice. Should I put this side down? I might end up just, see, if I was going someplace else, really leave it down, but or just now got a nice really curly ponytail. This definitely be a good style for a special occasion or something like that. One piece looks like it didn't get curled, but I'm trying to hide it in there. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.